Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Allah Almighty, we are always grateful, and to His Majesty Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, we always give thanks. Just introduce us from Group 1 with the first semester of English study program to present our paper entitled The History of the English Language, Invasion of Anglo-Saxon Dialect. Before that, I introduce Anugrah as the guide for the presentation, and my colleagues Arfiani Jasmal as the first speakers and Amalia Yunus as second speaker. So that was an introduction from me. Then I invite the speaker to present the material.
Thank you for the opportunity. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arfiani Jasmal. I am from one group. Today I will explain about the material history of English. So, the history of the English language begins with the Anglo-Saxon migration to the island of Britain around 1500 years ago. English is a West Germanic language derived from the Anglo-Frisian dialects brought to the island of Britain by Germanic immigrants from parts of the northwest of what is now the Netherlands and Germany. Initially, all English was a group of dialects reflecting the origins of the various Anglo-Saxon kingdoms in England. One of these dialects, West Saxon, eventually came to dominate. Then the original Old English was influenced by two wave invasion. I think enough. Saya rasa materi saya cukup. Selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh rekan saya yaitu Amalia Yunus selaku pemateri kedua.
My name is Amalia Yunus. I will continue from Sister Arfiani presentation. B. Understanding the story of the English language. English is actually a blend of the blending of colonial Viking culture from Northern Europe, the indigenous Welsh, Scottish, Irish culture of the Island native Britannia, and also German immigrants from the Saxony region of northern Germany. Later, Angles or Anglo changed the pronunciation to English. In the following countries, the Christian influence carried by the French Empire also enriched the structure of the English language. In the past, in the 10th to 14th century, English was classified as a low-class language in mainland Europe. We also need to know that the center of European culture at the time was in the Roman Empire in Italy to Turkey. Next, C. Anglo-Saxon invasion wave. The first wave of invasion was the invasion of speaker of the Scandinavian branch of the German language family. They conquered and inhabit part of Britain in the 8th and 9th centuries. Then the second wave of invasion was the Normans in the 11th century, who spoke a dialect of French. Living together with members of the Scandinavian ethnic group, ultimately create a grammatical simplification and enrichment of the Anglo-English core of the English language. Okay, that's from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jadi, inti dari makalah kami ini adalah sebagaimana kita ketahui bahwa sejarah bahasa Inggris itu bermula dari migrasi Anglo-Saxon ke Pulau Britania pada sekitar 1500 tahun yang lalu. Jadi bahasa Inggris ini adalah sebuah bahasa Jermanik Barat yang berasal dari dialek-dialek Anglo-Frisia yang dibawa ke Pulau Britania oleh para imigran Jermanik dari beberapa bagian barat laut daerah yang sekarang disebut Belanda dan Jerman. Nah, pada awalnya bahasa Inggris kuno adalah sekelompok dialek yang mencerminkan asal-usul beragam kerajaan-kerajaan Anglo-Saxon di Inggris. Salah satu dialek ini adalah Saxon Barat, yang akhirnya yang berdominasi, lalu bahasa Inggris kuno yang asli kemudian dipengaruhi oleh dua gelombang invasi. Saya rasa materi saya cukup. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I think our presentation on this day are quite a few of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.